You give your agent a task, deploy this service. It looks confident. The output looks right, and then you run it, and it breaks. Wrong flag, wrong environment, wrong workflow. A workflow that worked in the demo and nowhere else. The model isn't the problem, the architecture is. There's a missing layer that most people aren't talking about yet: agent skills. Most agents work like this: you write a prompt, the model generates a response, and for simple tasks, that's fine. But when agents take real actions like deploying infra or running commands, this breaks fast. They guess your environment, skip steps, say deployment complete before anything actually happens. Because the output is just best guesses, not defined, tested workflow. The fix is agent skills. A skill is a structured, reusable action an agent can call. Instead of guessing what to do, it executes something predefined and reliable. Think of it like an API. You don't hope the server figures it out. You call a known endpoint and get a predictable result. A good skill defines what it does, what it needs, what it returns, and what it won't do. Here's what a real skill file looks like in real life. This is the local stack lifecycle skill, and this is what we're going to be demoing in a minute. So you'll see a YAML front matter at the top. So the agent reads that and knows what or when to invoke the skill. Then the plain markdown instructions below. That's it. No server to run, no SDK to implement, just a simple YAML file. The agent loads the name and description at startup. And when a task matches, it reads the full file and knows exactly what to do. The simplicity is intentional, and it's what makes skills accessible to build. If you've been following the AI agent space, if you haven't been under a rock, you've probably heard of MCP, the Model Context Protocol that Anthropic released in late 2024. And you might be wondering, isn't that what this is? Well, not quite. MCP and agent skills solve different problems. MCP is about connectivity. It's a universal adapter that lets agents talk to external tools and data sources like GitHub, Slack, or a database. Agent skills are about expertise. They're what the agent actually knows how to do once it's connected. MCP is the pipe, and skills are the knowledge that flows through it. You might use both together. A skill that teaches an agent how to deploy an infrastructure backed by an MCP server that provides the connection to do so. But if you want to make your agent reliable at a specific workflow today, skills are a simpler starting point. All right, now let's make this stick. I'm running Claude Code inside the local stack skills repo. That's really all I need to set up. Claude Code automatically discovers the skill files in a directory and loads them. I'm going to give it a single natural language prompt and let it work. One prompt, you guys, no extra instructions. Watch what happens. First thing it does, it reads the relevant skill files. It doesn't guess at this workflow. It loads the instructions first. That's the pattern working exactly as designed. It checks whether local stack is already running. Docker comes back empty, so that means it's not. Agent knows that from a structured result and not from parsing a sentence. It starts local stack with the right flags and then explicitly waits for readiness before doing anything else. That wait step is in the skill definition. A prompt-only agent will almost certainly skip that step. Okay, it's ready. Now it can proceed.
Before deploying, it checks which tooling is available, SAM local or SAM. It finds SAM local, the local stack wrapper for SAM, and uses that. It adapted to the actual environment instead of assuming. It builds the stack, a Node.js Lambda, API gateway, DynamoDB table, and that's all defined in the local stack demo directory. And the build succeeds. Then it deploys. The stack comes up with the Lambda function, the REST API, the DynamoDB table, and a least privileged IAM role. Structured outputs come back, including the live API endpoint. And it doesn't just deploy it and call it done, it runs a smoke test against the endpoint. And the response comes back, hello world. And the agent surfaces at the confirmation and it wraps up from there. One prompt, 4 steps. Every action defined by a skill, every output structured, every decision traceable. That's what agent automation looks like when the architecture is right. You can replay this, audit it, run it in CI without holding your breath. And it kind of makes automation start to feel production ready instead of just feeling demo ready. If you want to dig in, the local stack skills repo is linked below. It's open source and a great reference for what well-designed skills look like in practice. The blog post this video is based on is also linked in the description. And if you want to try building your own skill, start with a markdown file. Pick one workflow that your agent needs to do reliably. Write down what it does, what it needs, what it returns, and that's the starting point. If you found this useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.